Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to transform an often overlooked part of cauliflower into a delicious snack. Cauliflower stem cutlet. Start by taking one cauliflower, separate the stem from the flowers, wash the stems thoroughly and cut them into small pieces. Chop the cauliflower stems finely. This will help in creating a smoother texture for our cutlet. In a mixing bowl, add some chopped onions to the finely chopped cauliflower stems. Now let's add besan for binding and our spices for flavor, salt, garam masala powder, turmeric powder and chili powder. Add a little water to bind everything together. Stir until you achieve a thick batter-like consistency. Heat an open pan and add a touch of oil to each flame. This will help prevent sticking. Now carefully spoon the cauliflower stem batter into each flame of the open pan. Cook on medium flame. After some time, flip the cutlet using a spatula. If needed, add a little more oil for a crispy texture. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious snack, ready to be enjoyed. Cauliflower steamed cutlet, a tasty treat. It's the best out of waste. Try once. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.